how to create a lead magnet with Mailchimp. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to Mailchimp.com. Now, once you're over to Mailchimp.com, just simply sign up onto their website. So to sign up, you can click on the login button at the top left corner, or you can just simply click on the sign up free button. So simply click on sign up free button and it will take you to this page where you will have to fill out the standard details such as your email address, your username, your password, and then just simply click on sign up. And if you want to receive some updates from Mailchimp, check on this box, but if you don't, to leave it unchecked, it doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. So once you've signed up onto this website, this is how the website will look like. So the first thing that we need to do is to create a magnet landing page. So how you create that is by going over to the left side and clicking on the create button at the top, and over here come down to landing page, click on landing page, and over here simply name your landing page. I'm going to choose Chimpman because I've already created one before, and then just simply select your audience and then just simply click on begin. Give it a few seconds to load up all the other templates, and over here, once you're on this website, this is all the templates that are available to us at the moment. So you can see we have all these different types of templates. Some are very colorful, some are very minimalistic, and some are very bland, very focused. And we need a standard template that is going to help us with our magnet landing page. So this one looks really nice, grow your list. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one to choose this template and edit it out. Wait for a couple of moments to load it up. Oh, it's loaded up already. And over here, once you're over here, we need to edit this out. As you can see, this is a very basic template. Like, not a lot of things are going on over here. You have your logo, you have your two text boxes over here, an email address and a subscribe button, and that's basically it. So go ahead and replace the logo. So click on logo, and over here on the right side you will see you have all these different options. So click on replace, and then just simply upload the logo that you already have. Wait for the logos to upload, and one's already loaded up, the other one's loading, and just select your logo that you want, click on insert, and that is it. You can even change the size of your logo. So let me just go ahead and adjust that. So I think this size looks really nice. And then down below, what you want to do is change this text. Change this text to something that will want people to click on it. So I wrote, click on the download button to get our free book. And as you can see, we have no download button as of right now. So what I want you guys to do is click on the boxes, is click on save and close, and over here what I want you guys to do is add a box. So let's just choose one over here. Let's just choose the buttons, click and drag it over here down below. Now what we want is we want to name it download, and over here you can keep the web address, and over here what I want you guys to do is add the web address that is going to be used to download the button. Basically link that URL file that you have uploaded, and just simply enter in the link of that product. So whenever someone clicks on the download button, they will be taken to that website, and that is how you do it. And then what I want you guys to do, so once you've uploaded a logo and you've entered in the catchphrase, so and you've entered in the download button, and now you gotta do is add in the actual product image. So let's just go ahead and click on image, drag it over here at the top, right above download and right below the catchphrase. And over here what I want you guys to do is click on upload an image, and then just select the image, and then just click on insert, and then just simply adjust the size of that. And as you can see, this looks really nice. Let me just edit this button out a little bit because it looks a little too bland at the moment. So yeah, I think that looks nice once we have less rounded corners. Yeah, so as you can see, this is already looking really nice. So down below, what I want you guys to do is edit this text to something that is related to this book or your product. So write something that is amazing and that is detailing your product so that people would want to click on it and then they can sign up. And then what I want you guys to do is leave this one as it is, but change this button to sign up, SIGN, and that is basically it. This is how you create your own magnet link. Now let's just go ahead and save and continue and click on preview and see how it looks. So this is the desktop view, and yeah, as you can see, it looks really nice. Let's check out the mobile version of it. Yeah, it looks really nice. So that is it. But remember, we're not going to be publishing it as of right now. We need to do a few different steps before we publish it. So click on save and close so that you saved your landing page. So let's just edit this out. Let's just change the name to free book. Save. So as you can see, we have our page title, we have our URL, we have our audience and tags, and we have our content. We need to add in the audience and tags. So click on edit audience. And over here, what I want you guys to do is choose an audience that you have, because remember guys, choosing an audience is very, very important, because you will be unable to switch audiences once your landing page has been published. So make sure you choose the correct audience, guys. Now let's just enter in some tags. So over here, as you can see, we haven't created a tag. Let's just create that new tag. That is it. Once that's done, now just click on save, and that is it. So now what I want you guys to do is let's just create an automation email address so that people will know that whenever someone enters their email onto this magnet page, we will get their email address and we will start to grow our email list. So to do that, just simply click on the automations on the left side of the bar, and over here simply click on create a new. So over here, as you can see, we have a few different options. We have customer journeys, we have transactional email. So let's just select the transactional emails, because I think that's, so choose whichever one you want out of these four, and then just simply click on create. So click on create, and over here what I want you guys to do is click on classic automations. Click on classic automations, and over here it will tell us to email subscribers when they're tagged, welcome new subscribers, and share blog update. So choose email when new subscribers are tagged. So over here, let's just leave it at that and just simply click on begin. Now once that's done, wait for the website to load up. So tag the contact, edit design email. So as you can see, let's just design email. Now over here, as you can see, we have all these different options. The name of your email is going to be tagged the content. Let's just email subject. So remember guys, add in a really, really nice subject. So let's just add a really nice and catchy email subject. So I'm just simply going to write the free ebook is here. Your free ebook is, so I just simply wrote your free ebook is here, and then down below all you have to do is enter in the preview text. So add in a welcoming text to the person that you're emailing to or something like that, and then down below check from name, and then just simply check the from email address. And once everything looks nice, just simply click on next, and over here you will be able to choose a template. So choose whichever template you want. As you can see, we have a lot of different templates. So I'm just simply going to choose sell products over here. Let's just choose this one because it looks similar to the one that we made before. And just like the things that I told you in before, do them as well. Just change the logo out. Okay, replace, insert, and let's just lower that smaller bit. Over here, just add in the title of the product, and over here let's just edit this one out and replace it with a Giphy, like a welcoming Giphy. Let's just search for welcome. Yeah, I like this one over here. So I'm just simply going to click on it and click on insert and wait for it to be uploaded. So now let's just change the size of the welcome text. I think this size is pretty nice. And then down below, what I want you guys to do is change this text to a welcoming text, like saying, for example, howdy partner, welcome to our store, this and this. You get the general idea of what I'm talking about. Then leave this one, and over here what I want you guys to do is change this text to browse. So whenever people click on it, it will be redirected to your website. Remember to add in the URL for your website, so whenever people click on it, they will be taken to your website and they can browse items. And then down below you will have options of adding more photos about your products. You can, if you have a single product or you have multiple products, just simply upload the image and then just edit the text out to something that is related to your product. And once you've done that, as you can see, we have done a automated email as well. Simply click on save and continue, and then just simply click on, and once you have done it, as you can see, we have scheduled it every day. Now let's change that to every day as soon as possible. Yep, that's nice. So everything is set. Just simply click on next. So as you can see, we have to add in a trigger. Please add in a tag. Let's just select this tag over here and immediately and click on update trigger. And as you can see, we have updated trigger. We have added the schedule. Let's just add in segment as well. Choose a segment or tag and click on save segment. Send action. Let's choose a post send action. So remember, this action will occur right after the email is sent, and it applies to the subscribed contacts. So let's just choose archives and click on update. You can choose other options as well, depends upon you, but I'm just choosing them for the sake of this video. And once you have all the things set, just simply click on next. And over here, as you can see, everything is ready to send. Everything is set. Just simply click on start sending, and it will be start sending emails to the peoples that have been tagged. And that is how you create your automation. Now let's just simply go back, and over here, let's just click on campaigns, and over here we will be able to see all our things. As you can see, this is our 2 websites, and this is our email, and this is our ebook. And as you can see, it is draft at this moment, but the emails is working. So simply click on free book, simply choose the template that you had already created, and after that, then just simply click on publish, and that is basically it. Now you know how you can create a lead magnet with Mailchimp, how you can basically grow your contact list. So if you have any questions related to this video, please let me know in the comment sections below, and I will be sure to get back to them as soon as possible. And having said that, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.